Hi everybody, welcome back to the craft room. Diane here. We are here for the wrap up of day 5 of the collaboration between DearJulieJulie and Cara Brandon for their 5 days of Easter. I was going to do a scrap use up, but those are all the scraps I have left. I had to actually pull some in from the folios set so I could finish decorating the little golden book journal I'm working on. So I decided I was going to flip through the ephemera that we made with these two lovely kits, and you could see all the things I've made, and then maybe give you a little preview of the journal I'm working on. I'm hoping to have it done in a few days, so maybe tomorrow we'll get a video of getting the journal bound. So anyway, this is, I don't remember if this was day 1 or day 2, but I really like this. It just has a cute little seam binding closure to keep it closed. And this was made out of a number 10 envelope. We made a little double pocket with some note paper in there with lots of goodies backed on tea-dyed paper. And then just some cards tucked in there too. And then in the back we've got this little tag from Julie, and this one from Julie as well. This one barely fits in there. I'll have to, oh yeah, there we go. That wiggled right in. Good job. Okay. And then on the back I use some of Julie's as well to keep the rabbit company there. So that's one little insert. I'll be putting that in one of the bigger pockets. And then I have this paper bag that we stuffed with goodies. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to glue this totally down or if I'm just going to glue it down on the two sides and maybe tuck something behind it, because it is pretty big. So inside we've got a couple of journaling cards. This one I backed on some lined paper. And then some tags, some little pieces decorating the bag. And this polka dot bag did come from the Dollar Tree. It's one of these little lunch sack thingies. I just turned the bottom up and glued it, and then tucked a few tags in there. Put some extra little goodies on there to decorate them. Also, this kindergarten paper came from the Dollar Tree too, so it doesn't have to be expensive to paper craft. You can start with very humble ingredients, and once you put them together with some cute images, it looks adorable. It doesn't have to be expensive to be cute. Alright, and then there's this one. I just added a little label here, and these are little file folder like insert thingies, but I made them into a little book because they were so cute with their little tabs. And, oh, just dropped that. I used Julie's belly band, and then we put this little picture behind there. Isn't that cute? And that's one of Cara's tabs. Alrighty, and then we have the little bunny, so cute. We'll put a tab up here. And then we made this one into a tuck spot for a little card. And then just a little collage here. And I like the effect of having the labels kind of run off and be cut on the edge. I think it just is really cute, even more than a whole label. I just love that. Okay, so there's that. And I just ran it, I zipped it through the sewing machine because the sewing I did wasn't very tight. So I did zip that through the sewing machine after you saw it. And then these are some of the tags in the kit. And for these, I simply printed a tea-dyed looking paper on the back. This is printed. It's just one sheet of paper, and then I inked around the edges, and they're just adorable all by themselves. I mean, you can take some of the pieces and decorate them, but I love these. So these are going to go in some of the pockets as well. Doesn't have to be complicated, doesn't have to be expensive. Alrighty, and then these, well, not those. Those are napkins. These are not with the kit, but I did these with napkins on just plain card. Let's see, so this one. So these tags, I made a master board with some recipe book pages that had cool colors of printing, and I liked the font. Just kind of hodgepodged all over, kind of like this. I'm going to pull this in. just recipe pages, some scraps of scrapbook paper, a couple of napkins I had laying around, stamped a little bit, and then I cut it up and used some of the images on them. So these 3 are from Cara, and I stitched around them cute little fabric, tassel, tabby, I don't know, what do you call that stuff that goes up there? Anyway, it's cute. And then we made, oh, that's a different one. This is from that same batch of paper, and see, it looks totally different with how you dress it up. I love that. These all came from the same board, and they all look so cute and so different using the same kits and the same paper. This one too. This one's from the masterboard, just a little piece of lace. I had a swim cover-up that I cut up that I found at a thrift store. That's what that lace is. Looks beautiful. And then this is going to be a tuck spot. I rounded the corner and just added some little goodies there and sewed around the edge and a postage stamp. And then we've got this large journal card with the background, and then this label was extra. I think that was just sitting on my desk. And then these are from the kit. And this little pocket, isn't that so cute? I was going to make Julie's card into just a card, but I thought, oh, that would be an adorable pocket. It's like just the right size for a page too. So I used Julie's postcard, and then some little goodies from Cara's kit. Oh, this one's just the napkin on the masterboard. Okay, and this one is a piece from Julie's, and it had this little tab down here, and I just thought it was so cute that we could use the tab to open it. So I put some lace on the side, and I'm planning to glue this side down to the page of the book, and then you can just flip it up and have some secret journaling space in there. So I thought that would be so cute. And then this one is a little triple flip out booklet to tuck in a pocket, and it's got its own little pockets with goodies. All kinds of cool stuff in there. Got this one. And this tag I Kool-Aid dyed. I sprayed it with a Kool-Aid with a spritz bottle. Came out cute, right? And just a little drink ticket in there. So that's the things I made with the kits. Let me give you a little sneak peek, a little taster of the golden book I'm working on. Isn't that adorable? I just love that little bunny. I thought he was so cute for this kit. So I've almost got the first signature done. I like to do the first one and then model the other signatures with similar items in the next ones. It's going to be a 3 signature. So, and this is a vintage little golden book. It's from 1979. So I have a little cluster here with some of the items. That's a good way to use up scraps. I have a little bit of napkin here. Some notepad paper. Did a little stenciling. Lots of pockets to fill. Lots and lots of pockets. There's a little bit from Julie. And then I wanted to show you back here, I used a notepad and then more of Julie's little fussy cuts. So you could stick these anywhere. You could still write over that. You could put a picture in there. Really, you could do lots and lots of stuff. So I'm really having fun with this one. I even found some cute little Easter stamps, some spring stamps to use. And I got out my Kool-Aid dyed paper, so this one's going to be very colorful. I'm really liking this, so I think I'm going to let you go with that. I hope you enjoyed the collaboration. I know I've had a lot of fun watching all the ideas of all the ladies. Just the creativity is amazing to me. I absolutely love doing this. Even better than making the things is watching and seeing what everybody else made. Okay, so I am going to get back to working on this journal for a giveaway, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a good day. Happy crafting. Bye.